Is Warrior Plus a good platform to do affiliate marketing? In this video, we're going to go over why I believe, in my experience, my opinion, and nobody else's, that Warrior Plus is actually not a good platform to do affiliate marketing. It's not a good platform to promote as an affiliate. None of the products on there should be in your promotion repertoire, and I'm going to get into exactly why that is. So if you're looking to start doing affiliate marketing, you've seen all these big affiliate marketing gurus on YouTube and TikTok and other places, and sometimes they tell you jump on Warrior Plus and get yourself some affiliate links and start promoting on there. I'm going to show you why that's incorrect, why that's a bad idea, and why most people fail doing Warrior Plus. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you a platform that I think is actually better to build your brand on, to build your business on. You have a higher chance of success. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, just so you know, just so you can see, I've had a Warrior Plus account for many years now. I have not done a whole lot of promotion on this platform, and there's a very specific reason why. Now, first of all, if we look at the top 10 today, these are the top 10 sellers today. I went up to Marketplace and clicked home. You can also click top products so you can get a snapshot of what is selling the most here on Warrior Plus. And it's not that stuff on Warrior Plus does not sell. It's actually one very important fact about Warrior Plus that I don't like about it, that I don't want to build my brand on, and I don't think you should either if you're looking to build a legitimate long-term affiliate marketing brand. And that is this: every single product, with the exception of maybe a few, I don't want to do any kind of generalization here, but most products on Warrior Plus are essentially make money online products, and not just make money online products. You can see here auto voice profits, 60-second traffic pro, vid shorts ultimate traffic generator, NFTs cracked, ninja tube, like all this stuff, right? I don't need to go into every single one of these. Vertical video income stream, I mean, I could just click one and you can get a pretty good idea of what they look like. Oh, there's all kinds of sound, but anyway, you can get a good idea of what they look like, what they talk about. They're essentially get rich quick programs. Almost every last one of them speak to our very worst human desires, where we click a button, they're super fast, super easy, anybody can do it, blah 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 blah. And this is kind of like, I mean, just looking at this, I feel like I'm gonna get a virus just by looking at it. It's like, you know, I'm joking, but what I'm saying is this is the majority of the products on Warrior Plus, and it's not that they don't sell. Hear me out on this. It's that, number one, you should be concerned with your own long-term brand. I'll give you a scenario, okay? Let's go over to the whiteboard. So I've said this a million times and I'm going to say it again, right? Affiliate marketing is not a business. Affiliate marketing is a monetization strategy. The business really is you. It's all about branding. Now, you don't have to necessarily be on camera. In my course down in the description below, I talk about creating some kind of a logo, like a faceless brand, but it's still a brand. There's still some presence you have online where people get to know, like, and trust you, whether you're not on camera or you are on camera. Me, I like a personal brand, so I am on camera, but that's not the point. The point is the business is you. It's people's gravitation and likability towards you. So here's the problem with promoting stuff on Warrior Plus. If I go over to people and I tell them, hey, there's this stuff on Warrior Plus, okay? And it's really awesome. Everybody should go out and buy it, okay? Here's the problem with that. Yes, I might make a few sales, but in the long term, what's going to happen, right? What is going to happen when people start to realize that a lot of these products on Warrior Price promise the world, they promise you're going to be a millionaire overnight, and the reality is that no, this is not going to happen. A lot of them are easy push button millionaire stuff that really just doesn't work for the majority of people. It's not going to work. Okay, it's good at selling the product, but it's not good at actually fulfilling the promise, if that makes sense. So that's the thing about Warrior Plus, is that the entire platform is filled with these fly-by-night gurus who invent these like courses and tricks and knickknacks and all this stuff that where you push a button and you make $1 million, okay? That's just not reality. That's not a true, real, long-term business, and it speaks to the darkest desires of our human nature. I was trying to find the word there, but you get what I'm saying. You don't want to be this guy. That's the problem. Is long term on the internet, you don't want to be this guy, girl, whatever you are. You don't want to be the one that promotes these quick buck, fly by night products. Like, you just don't want to be that person. Okay, so here's the thing. Yes, there are some success stories. A few names come to mind. Wesley Virgin, Billionaire Virgin, that they can promote these like super quick buck kind of products, and they've made a great living doing it. Personally, if that's who you want to be, that's on you. I'm not down talking the guy. I actually kind of like him. He works really hard. He does what he needs to do. But if that's what you want to be, then by all means promote Warrior Plus stuff, because it's gonna basically speak to that audience that's looking for the get rich quick scheme. And many of them, here's the thing, many of them will fall off over time. Many of them will stop trusting you because you keep saying, hey, you know that thing I said before that was like this awesome great rich quick scheme thing? Well, that was crap. Wait, check out this brand new thing. That's another get rich quick thing, but it's way better. Eventually, it's like the boy who cried wolf. Eventually, they will stop believing you. Okay, and eventually you'll start to lose a lot of that initial audience that bought into your ideas, bought into your programs, bought into your affiliate stuff. And what happens, here's the other thing. This is what I've expanded into. What happens when you want to expand? What happens when you say to yourself someday, man, I'm making some pretty good affiliate income. What if I start making my own courses? What if I write a book? What if I want to expand into services, coaching, want to create my own agency or something? What if I want to grow and expand in the online world and do something else other than affiliate marketing? The problem is now you've gained this reputation of being the get rich quick guy. So people in those spaces will not take you seriously. Does that make sense? They will not take you seriously. So everyone who's big in this get rich quick push button money space, they don't get taken seriously in other spaces. They just don't, okay? Like SaaS spaces, like things like that. Real business owners and entrepreneurs and investors and things like that on LinkedIn, CEOs, founders, like people like that. Real actual business successful person. You know what I mean? I'm trying to find the word for it, but they're legit. They don't promise these silly get rich quick scheme things. They actually have dignity, so the fact is, when they try to expand and go out into these other industries and network with these people, those people aren't interested in working with them. Number one, even if they are really smart and they know what they're doing and everything, they're great marketers or whatever, the serious minded entrepreneurs are not going to want to work with them because of branding problems. Because if I show up and I'm like, again, not to poo-poo on his name, I think he's a great guy and everything, but if I do some like reach out and work with like Wesley Billionaire Virgin or whatever, his branding is, I'm gonna look silly, and I don't want that to water down my brand, because I'm trying to take this seriously. I'm trying to help you really quit your 9-to-5, not get rich quick schemes, but actually long-term skill sets and how to actually build a real business and a presence online. That's my brand. So it wouldn't make sense for me to team up with him. Again, not poo-pooing on his name, okay? Nobody go out there and start something and go to his channel and tear him down, nothing. He's a good guy. He does his thing. It's just a different lane. It's just a different thing that he's doing, okay? And that's totally fine. Now, here's the other problem with Warrior Plus. The other big time problem with Warrior Plus is that it's actually like a secret club. Unless you know people that know people that know people, they're pretty much going to push you out the back door. Let me explain. This is on Warrior Plus. If you go over to the affiliate section up here and you go to contest, they actually hold contests of who the top sellers are and all this stuff on Warrior Plus, right? And if you go down here, you look at all these different products that you can promote on Warrior Plus, right? And they're all holding contests to see who the top sellers are. I'm serious. You go out there and you do this yourself, because whenever you watch this recording, whenever you watch this video, it may not be, right away. Maybe you're watching this 5 years from now or whatever. But by all means, go in here and click through these, right? Here is the contest. Here's the top 5 salespeople in this program. Now, what will happen when you do your research right here and you go to all these different contests, what you'll start seeing is you'll start seeing the exact same names pop up all the time, like Tony, Marriott, whatever. A lot of them, and I've done this research, a lot of them are actually friends on Facebook. They know each other, they help each other. And that's the problem with this platform. Unless you already know somebody, unless you're already plugged in, unless you're already sharing email lists, and it's basically the cream rises to the top, right? Everybody who's already at the top of Warrior Plus, who's already the top sellers, who already knows each other, who's already networking, they're pretty much going to push anybody new out. They're not going to work with you. They're not going to give you the sneak peek at their new programs and their products and what they're doing and everything. It's basically like a secret club. Like, it's like a secret society here on Warrior Plus. Like, if you're brand new, they basically look at you like you stink. Like, you have this aura about you. You smell. Get out of here. Nobody likes you, kid. And they're gonna push you out the back door. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 4 years now at the time of this recording, and I've made about $500,000 at this point. Nothing crazy that's accumulated over time. I'm a regular guy, right? But to these guys, that's like nothing. They've never heard of me because I don't do Warrior Plus. I don't do any of that stuff. I don't sell like get rich quick fly by night programs and everything. I don't do this stuff. I don't try to, speak to people's innermost evil dark desires and stuff. Like, I make programs and products and promote stuff that I feel like is actually going to help people in the long term. Now, I promised you that by the end of this video, I was going to reveal to you a platform that I think might be better for you to be taken more seriously. So this one is called, if you haven't heard of it before, it's called JVZoo. Okay, so here's the thing about JVZoo that makes it so different than Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus, a lot of it is digital products, courses. Sometimes they have software, but most of the time the software is just like push a button and get 10 million fake followers on Instagram, like crappy stuff like that. Okay, so when you go over here to Warrior Plus, instead, let's see, find products. Not Warrior Plus. When you go over here to JVZoo, instead, what you'll find out is that a lot of the products here on JVZoo are legit softwares, right? And they pay really good. There's really good affiliate programs in here. Content Gorilla, a commercial, Minute Kit. You can make like YouTube videos or blogs or anything talking about these programs. And the difference is these programs, these products, these softwares, most of the time it's software, right? That can help businesses, that can help either startup businesses or growing businesses, but they really do help a lot of times. There's still some spammy, scammy stuff on here too. So you just got to do your due diligence. But a lot of times it'll be stuff like how to increase your email deliverability. Like, any business can use that. That's a good, legit product, right? It's not like some scammy, how to make everyone on your email list buy all your stuff overnight and make $1 million. Like, that would be scammy, right? Like they don't promise that kind of stuff a lot of times, usually on this platform. So I think, to me, this platform is much better if you want to be taken seriously over the long run. Got great affiliate programs that pay out really, really good. And you can actually serve people in a more legit way. You can protect your brand. You can protect your identity from people looking at you like you're a weirdo. Okay, so that being said, I highly recommend JVZoo over Warrior Plus if you're going to pick one of these affiliate networks. I think JVZoo is a lot better. I think over the long run, if you plan to be online for a long time and build a legitimate business like I do, not, make a few quick bucks and then run out the back door, then I would say stick to JVZoo. Even by another lesser extent, ClickBank is even pretty good. You just have to do your due diligence, but they have legit stuff, not stuff that actually helps people, not stuff that's like, it's some of the stuff on Warrior Plus just makes me laugh. I'm not gonna lie. If you go through here and really just go through some of these products and just go to their pages, NFTs cracked, like, let's just joke around a little bit. Like, this is hilarious, right? This is like, $3,000 over and over again by flipping free and rare. Like, if anyone knew how to make $3,000 over and over again, flipping free and rare NFT images, all this stuff, like, easy peasy, they would not be making a course about it and teaching everyone else how to do it. Because, like, well, I know I wouldn't. I'd keep that secret all to myself. I'm sorry, guys. I would not make a YouTube video about it. I wouldn't tell anyone. It would just be all mine, okay? I would definitely keep it to myself. But here they are over-promising again, telling you that, tomorrow you're going to push a button and you're going to make $3,000 over and over. And this is common. This is like almost every Warrior Plus product So that's the reason I would not promote this stuff, is because it's like people are just going to not take you seriously. They're going to look at you in a different way. And then what if you actually want to promote something legit? What if you want to make your own course and promote something that's like you really believe in? People are going to laugh. They're going to think you're a joke. Okay. So that being said, here's a playlist of all my affiliate marketing step-by-step stuff. It's completely for free right here on YouTube. You don't need any of this stuff. Check it out. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.